Imagine a symphony of flavors, a culinary masterpiece that takes your taste buds on an intergalactic journey. This is the Cosmic Fusion Delight, an Asian special delicacy that combines the bold flavors of the East with a touch of celestial whimsy. Brought to life with a medley of fresh ingredients, the Cosmic Fusion Delight is a dish that promises an adventure in every bite. It's a harmonious blend of sweet, spicy, tangy, and savory notes that fuse together to create a gastronomic experience that's simply out of this world. So, how do we create this culinary marvel? It's a journey that begins with the right ingredients. To create your own Cosmic Fusion Delight, gather fresh vegetables like bell peppers of different colors, zucchini, and baby corn. You'll also need boneless chicken cut into bite-sized pieces and a range of Asian sauces like soy sauce, fish sauce, and oyster sauce. The spices include garlic, ginger, and a mix of ground black and white pepper. And let's not forget the staple of Asian cuisine, steamed jasmine rice. Start by marinating the chicken pieces in a mixture of soy sauce, fish sauce, garlic, ginger, and pepper. Allow it to sit for at least an hour. This will infuse the chicken with a deep, rich flavor that serves as the base of our Cosmic Fusion Delight. While the chicken is marinating, chop the vegetables into bite-sized pieces. Remember, the goal is to create a colorful palette that's as pleasing to the eye as it is to the palate. Next, heat some oil in a wok and stir-fry the marinated chicken until it's golden brown. Once the chicken is cooked, remove it from the wok and set it aside. In the same wok, stir-fry the vegetables until they're tender crisp. Add the chicken back into the wok and pour in the oyster sauce. Stir everything together until the chicken and vegetables are coated in the sauce. Serve this vibrant, flavorful stir-fry over a bed of steamed jasmine rice. And there you have it, the Cosmic Fusion Delight. It's a feast for the senses, a dish that's as beautiful as a nebula and as flavorful as a journey through the cosmos. In summary, the Cosmic Fusion Delight is a dish that brings together fresh vegetables, succulent chicken, and a blend of Asian sauces to create a flavor profile that's truly out of this world. By marinating the chicken, stir-frying it with the vegetables, and serving it over steamed jasmine rice, you can create a dish that's not only visually stunning, but also packed with flavor. It's a culinary journey that's worth taking, a taste of the cosmos right on your plate.